Anorexia nervosa is a serious psychiatric disorder affecting millions of people worldwide, and it has the highest death rate of any mental illness. It involves persistent efforts to acquire or maintain a low body weight, distorted perceptions of body image, and an intense fear of gaining weight. A person has anorexia nervosa if their exercising patterns and perceptions of body image and weight interfere with their health, their livelihood, or their interpersonal relationships. Right now, no single factor is said to cause anorexia. However, scientific research shows that both biological and sociocultural factors play significant roles in the development of this eating disorder. Individuals with anorexia have an intense fear of gaining weight or becoming fat, which may be influenced by certain cultural values. Girls who are teased by their friends about their weight are almost 100% more likely to become chronic dieters. Girls who frequently read fashion magazines are 2 to 3 times more likely to diet or exercise to lose weight. Dieting and exercising are often described as the first stage of anorexia nervosa. Now, most people in Western society are exposed to these cultural influences, and yet most of them don't develop anorexia. So recently, scientists have begun to understand that genetic factors also contribute to the risk. Studies have shown that you are 12 times more likely to develop anorexia if, say, your mother or your sister has it, and that's largely because of your genetic makeup. Studies that focus on the structure of anorexic genes or chromosomes show that particular genes create a tendency to obsess about food and weight, and other genes create a strong desire to be thin. So as you can see, studies point to a strong role for both cultural and biological factors in the development of anorexia. Now, because of biology, some people are born more likely to develop the illness. Now, if these people lived in a society that did not idealise thinness, such as ours, they might never develop this eating disorder. However, when these people are exposed to certain toxic aspects of the environment, the predisposition can become activated. As some anorexia experts have put it, genetics loads the gun and the environment pulls the trigger. Fortunately, anorexia can be treated. The first step is bringing weight back to normal, usually with the help of a team of doctors and often in the context of a hospital. Noticing and treating anorexia nervosa early on is associated with a better outcome, and adequate insurance coverage and other supports for those with this disease are very much needed.